it takes a good
At the supermarket.
Made it. Straighten out my head.
The mission was Kinko's, but they're shut down. Shit, even McDonald's closed.
McDonald's.
I mean,
We're drinking supermarket coffee right now.
Yep, and the storm is
It looks
over.
like a ghost town in here.
It does, and the storm is over. It's a lot of beer over there. But we're not doing that today.
Right.
Today's about business. We walked 2.5 miles.
2.5 miles up here, and then we're gonna walk 2.5 miles back, getting it in.
Yep. Doing it. Look at all this cake right here. We in the wrong damn section.
We're not getting that.
No.
We really don't need anything.
No. We got food. Well, we got enough. I mean, I don't consider ourselves marooned anymore.
No.
Yeah, it's like pretty much over. We'll probably be out and about tomorrow. Family will be here Thursday, and Friday is the day. So, I know, right? Anyway, signing off.
Wait, in terms of being here in the supermarket, we're only here to drink our coffee and get back at the second leg of our workout today.
Yeah.
5 miles, and then when we get in, we'll do some
dinner.
I was going to say squats.
Oh,
okay.
No squats. My thighs are hurting from yesterday.
Well, maybe some abs or something.
Yeah, something.
Okay.
Gotta keep it right, tight. 47.
Yikes.
No, right? Fit by 50. Okay. Bye. Peace. End it. I'm like, I can't do both.
Bye.